The Hemi. Here we are. What is up, YouTube? Sorry for my crazy freaking hair. I was just hanging out the windy. But we got Abe right here. You know what I'm saying? Victoria the Hemi. Go follow him on Instagram. Do it. Do it. Within this video, you're gonna check out his car. We're making a dope little video. We got some rollers and stuff. If you want to see more of the rollers, check us out on Instagram right here. Link, not link in the description. Just check it out right here on Instagram. Give us a follow. But we got the squad. You know what I'm saying? We got the Hemi. We got the dad bod V. We got Young Max. You know.
You already know what it is, mate.
We're ready to get some food. Before we hit this parking garage, we're gonna go to Jersey Mike's and get us some nice freaking eats.
Hey, we're gonna get us a f***ing sub, man.
We're gonna get us a sub. They call me half face. I'm not two face, it's half face. Oh, there's the cars. Look at the cars. But we're gonna go do that. It's freaking cold, but we're gonna be in a nice warm area. You know, we gotta go get us a nice subby sub. Yeah, gotta keep this open. Let's see what we got. Ooh.
You gotta add the little, the Metal Gear Solid, like.
Oh my God, my belly's not even full. Hey, look, Free Nature Valley bars. We just ate food, but Abe's gotta go. So we're gonna have a part 2. We're gonna see him tomorrow, and we're gonna get this video done. That sounds like a G35 or something. But transition tomorrow. And we're back. So
Another day.
It's day 2. We're gonna meet up with one of our buddies, Michael Combs. He's got a, what is it, a 15, 16?
I think it's a 16.
It's a 16 Hellcat. I've shot his car before, guys. It's an older video. You can go check it out somewhere. We're getting ready to go link up with him, and then we're gonna go shoot the rest of this video.
Well, remember, did you get the first Hellcat or the second Hellcat? Because he's had 2.
The first one, the black one.
That's what she said.
Oh, well, this is a new Hellcat. You guys haven't seen this one yet.
Super surprise.
Yeah, son, we race.
So we got the work truck, you heard.
The work ski, baby.
And we about to do a burnout in the work truck. Get one on the other side. Go backwards up. Woo! Woo! We're in the cars. We got Abe behind us. We're about to go head to the mall and go to one of the Maryland Live Casino park garage. So we're gonna head there, and then we're gonna meet up with Mike and all them, and then finish off his video for you guys to check out. I'm gonna post it on probably Instagram and Facebook and all that other good stuff. But I'll see you guys when we get to the mall. We're gonna go make some noise in the parking garage because we got the V8s. My hair looks crazy. Here we are, going into the casino. Oh yeah. Well, we got kicked out, which is pretty stupid. They said it wasn't even because we're being stupid or loud. My beard looked weird. It was literally because she said it was like private property or something. I don't understand, because we're not doing anything. There's literally no cars around where we're at. There's no cars where we're at. But it's the rules. I'm not gonna fight the power. I mean, we could, but it just caused more problems. Now we're just waiting on the Hellcat, you know. Mr. Abe's over there, and now I think we're gonna go to a different Jimmy Mac sauce. And we're going to a different parking garage that's right down the street. I don't know if you can see, it's like over there. So we're gonna hit that, and then finally get this done. I heard the Hellcat. It's coming up the stairs. There's the Hellcat. Beautiful. It's a beautiful specimen.
3 hours later.
Got the Hellcat.
We're going to hang out a little later.
It's all good, bro.
Oh yeah, my wifey got it for me.
Just one more car, I promise.
They're on the back, you know, they got that.
Man, start this thing up, man.
What's up?
Start this thing up.
actually put resonator on it, so it's quieter than
It's quieter than the
yeah. I added resonator.
Oh, we got the red key. Okay. But you don't like it too loud?
My name is the cop.
Beautiful.
If I die, all I know, I'm a motherfucking legend. It's so great for my city. I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.